Ever wondered how to make money on TikTok? The platform is more than just a place to show off your dance skills or lip sync to the latest pop hit. With over 1 billion active users globally, TikTok presents a wealth of opportunities for creators, influencers, and even businesses to turn those short, snappy videos into a solid income stream. One way to do this is by joining the TikTok Creator Fund. This program pays eligible creators based on their video views and engagement. To qualify, you'll need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So keep those videos coming and engage your audience. Next on the list is creating sponsored content. This involves partnering with brands relevant to your niche and audience and promoting their products or services in your videos. You can either reach out to brands directly or use platforms like the Creator Marketplace to connect with potential sponsors. But what if you have your own products to sell? TikTok has got you covered. You can use the platform to showcase and sell your products, be it merch, art, crafts, ebooks, courses, and more. TikTok Shop allows you to create an online store and link to your products in your videos. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money on TikTok. By promoting other people's products or services that you use and trust, you can earn commissions. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank can help you find affiliate offers and include your affiliate links in your videos or bio. If you love going live and interacting with your fans in real time, you can also collect virtual gifts or tips. During your live stream, your viewers can send you these virtual gifts or tips, which you can then exchange for real money. For those with a knack for advertising, creating in-feed ads is another viable option. These short video ads appear in the TikTok feed and can drive traffic to your website, app, or landing page. Tools like the TikTok Ads Manager can help you create and manage your campaigns. If you have a personal or professional project that needs funding, why not crowdfund it on TikTok? Platforms like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, or Patreon can help you create your crowdfunding campaign and share it with your followers. Finally, you can grow and sell TikTok accounts. This involves creating and growing niche-specific TikTok accounts and then selling them to other creators or businesses who want to reach that audience. Platforms like FameSwap or TrustYou can help you buy and sell TikTok accounts. To wrap things up, TikTok is not just a platform for entertainment, but a viable space for earning money. Whether through the Creator Fund, sponsored content, selling your own products, affiliate marketing, collecting virtual gifts, creating in-feed ads, crowdfunding, or selling accounts, the potential is vast. But remember, making money on TikTok requires creativity, consistency, and engagement. You need to create high-quality and original content that attracts and retains your audience. And of course, have fun and enjoy the process.